Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a prank on my boyfriend. I hope that it works out, but if not, I don't know if I'm gonna put up this video, but me still I will try and see if we can get him. Like, I'm going to do the lyric prank on him. I was going to do cherish, feeling really cherish unappreciated. However, I think he knows that song because I'm always listening to it. So I chose to go with Torn, Latoya Luckett. And the thing about this prank is that I kind of started it from last night because I told him that there was something, I don't know what it is, but there's something about our relationship that I can't pick up, but it is something is not as how it should be. So yeah, so I could not back out from then. So I actually did that because I didn't want to back myself out of pranking him. So let's see if he is going to even reply because he's at work. Alright, so I just texted him, hey. So I'm gonna say let's talk now, because as I stated, I started this prank from yesterday, and I'm gonna start now. So the first line is a part of me wants to leave you alone. Let's see what he's going to respond and say. Any day now. He said, as in break up. Okay. Of me wants for you to come home. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this to my boyfriend. Like, everybody, well, anybody who knows my boyfriend knows he's a sweetheart, and just the fact that I'm there kind of, I've messed with him, and he's at work. It's gonna be just like one piece of put on boom in our eyes. Last night when I said that, babe, I don't think something is right about our relationship, like I was laying on his chest and I could actually hear his heart stop beating for a while and then start beat fast. Like, my poor baby, he's not reading my message fast enough. Like, what are you doing? He's not saying anything. You just read my message and not saying anything. Like, how dare you? Should I like put what are you doing? Let's typing now. And this is so perfect, this line, a part of me wants for you to come home because he's at work, you know. So my things there are something real. I don't know what about the rest of you. A part, which is so nice that he said that. A part of me, part of me says I'm living a lie. A part of me says to think it's through. Oh my god. Like, I can't believe you say no pick up Star Apartment Frankie meet. Like, we always sit down and watch lyric pranks on YouTube. Instead of saying a part of me in this part, because there's a lot of a part of me, I'm just going to say I want to say goodbye. And then I get confused and ask myself why. I got to switch up the lyrics a bit because he's like, you want to wait till I'm home to talk about this? It got me just torn. Oh my god. like oh my god, we're not making my eyes out right now, but sorry babe, like I had to do it. Like, because I'm torn in between the two, because I really want to be with you, but let's leave it there. I'm so hot, I'm sweating like a mofo. Like, this is anxiety. Like, you might just step out of the office and come up here like like, oh my god, that would not be cool if you came up here just because of a prank. Hey, I'm so sorry. Why isn't he reading my messages? Shouldn't take it that long. Oh my god. Hopefully not realize I'm a prank. Like, he's typing away like a mofo and not stuff. Babe, who got you confused now? Who got me confused now? What kind of question is that? Somebody say what hurts the most is when we started out, it was cool, but we don't see cool. It was cool, but something happened. Whew. All right, let's see what he's going to say. I'm nervous. Like my armpit is sweating now. I'm so nervous. Somebody said so many times I was ready to go. I'm not gonna repeat this so many times. Somebody said so many times I was ready to go. I had my foot out the door, and instead of I thought to give him a chance, I'm gonna say I thought to give you a chance. This line, I thought you'd be a better man. Jesus, please. Oh my god, like, my boo is so good to me. Like, I couldn't ask for a better dude. I just don't want him to call me like, babe, I love you. Can you guys see that I'm sweating? Like, I'm sweating because I'm so nervous. No, so he says wait till I get on to talk about this, babe, and I say, and I'm going to come off script and say no, I want to talk about it now. I think I used all the lyrics though. Oh, I didn't use this part. A part of me wants you ain't what I want. So I just took off the a part of me part and said you ain't what I want. He's like, what do you want? My boyfriend is so sweet. So he said we need to talk about this, babe. So I'm gonna say we are talking about it. What got you feeling this kind of way? He's typing now. Let's see what he's typing. Isn't there something he's telling me to say? I'm going to give him an emoji right there. So I'm going to say, I don't know how much more I can take, but I can't feel this way. I think he might have picked up that this is a prank and he's playing around with me. Why do I think that? I think I should have used another song. As I stated before, we were talking about it last night. So I was planning this from last night so it would work up and unfold today. So he said, you should have let us talk about this from last night. I would have stayed home. Oh, babe. I didn't want you to stay home. If you stayed home, this prank wouldn't work. Oh my god, how am I going to answer that? He said, do you still want this relationship? My poor baby. I think I'm gonna video call him to get his reaction. Oh my god. No, you should stay. I know, baby. I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna stay. Why? I'm gonna say why. Because he knows that I'm a bit bratty. So, a why is good right there. Maybe say because our love is real and we complete each other, which is so freaking true. But I want out. And then let's see if I can call him. I can't believe I'm doing this to my man. I know how sensitive he gets. I hope he isn't like in the bathroom. Oh my god. Like, read my message. He needs to read it so I can end this prank. He's not reading it, so I'm gonna put question signs. So he says out, so I'm gonna say yes. So now I'm gonna say, can I call you? It's time for this prank to be over and done. So he said yes, I'm calling him. Hello? Hello?
Wait, you should have talked to him about this from last night.
Why?
Because we were talking, I know when they work, therefore.
Not really. I just did feel like I need to think about it before I start talking to you about it.
So, I understand. What happened? Why do you feel like this?
I don't know. I just feel like sometimes I just want to not be around you and all of that, and I just sometimes want my own space, and I'm not sure if this is what I really want. You hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm saying that sometimes it just like really hard to express myself around you because I know how you stay and how you're so sensitive towards certain things, and it's gonna be like, you know, a big deal to you.
But if you have a situation, you can always talk to me. You know that.
Yeah. I guess. But anyways, before you leave, let me tell you it's a prank. I was doing the lyric prank, the song prank on you.
Really?
Yes.
I wonder, I left me out to go to work a while ago.
I know that something like that would have happened. Like, I'm just attention, Lord have mercy, I left work and come home. Like,
I tell them, I tell them, boss, I don't feel good, so I actually time and leave early.
oh, but you're dead, so we can't play along no more. So I'm just saying, let me just tell you from now.
I did not see that one coming at all.
Don't tell them. I just got pranked.
I did not see that.
Say, I just got pranked. Alright, bye, later. Love you.
I don't know if I can. I thought it was torn. Men så var det hilarious att jag tog av det. I alla fall last night until I tog. What the hell? Yes, you got me. I did not see that. Did not expect that.
Exactly. You don't
Well,
love me no
I
more?
love you.
He loves me still. I love you too, babe.
I got me torn though.
I'm sorry. So that's it, guys. That's the end of my little prank on my boyfriend. My battery's dying, so this is like a quick outro. So see y'all in the next video. Bye.